So guys, I'm playing Pixel Pets. Wait, what? What's this? Oh, sorry. Snowstorm. Snowstorm. Guys, meet Snowstorm. She's cute. Guys, if you want one of these pets, subscribe to my channel, follow me, send a train to me if you play this game, and you'll get one of these little pets. You might even get the baby Snowstorm. But anyways, this is Pixel Pets. Pixel Pets. When you go here, breathing, and you put this and this. You can, hold on, they're loading. Here they are. You get all of these. So, pick which pet you want down below. Comment down below. You like, subscribe, hit the bell, and you get one of these pets. Oh, and also, I might get I'm gonna get another baby soon, so I'm gonna see you guys in the next video with Pixel Pets, or tomorrow.